Hello, all my hello, all my friends. Today, Saturday, August the 23rd. Saturday this afternoon, baker. I'm a baker. Take half hour introduction our running policy about our machine. Saturday this afternoon for the supplier at present stage for our assembly and the house of our supplier doing solid surface for our factory. Today, with now the supplier going for the tempering and heating treatment, tempering and heat treatment supplier. Every week, one time, we collect some of the mental parts going for the tempering and for the heat treatment. Okay, this is our assembly site for the spring forming machine, and presently have several machines on the stage for the steps. Okay, let me show you. This is bigger. This is our machine. This is our assembly workshop for a spring forming machine. Assembly workshop for a spring forming machine and at different progress. This one, Camless 8 sliders, as total 11 axes, 10 or 11 axes. And here's our shaft axis. And the mental parts weekly corrected for the heat treatment for tempering and heat treatment. So this is a brief idea of our assembly workshop for the tempering. Hello everyone. This is Baker. We are professional spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. Take a taxi ride 70 minutes from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. 70 minutes taxi ride from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. So every month, most of the clients come to our factory for a free user training by the road Guangzhou International Airport. Within 1 hour, within 70 minutes taxi ride from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. Here's telling the key steps. So all of our machine mechanic parts, such as shaft, sleeves, and rods, were completed. Every step, every process and steps for the heat treatment to achieve great performance at durability and precision. So it is by the following steps: rough turning, tempering treatment, and high frequent treatment. So this is the supplier provide the step 2 and step 7, step 2 and step 7. So our one is best in South China for step 2 and step 6, step 2 and step 6 for a tempering treatment, for a high frequent treatment, tempering treatment and a high frequent treatment. I'm a baker. We are professional CNC spring machine manufacturer. Professional CNC spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, South China. In Dongguan City, South China. Okay, this is the WhatsApp, my WeChat, my WeChat. Okay, we are professional spring machine manufacturer in South China, in Dongguan City. 7 minutes taxi ride from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. We do many clients foreign buyer need to take a week, 6 to 9 days free using training by the road, by arrived Guangzhou International Airport, then take a taxi ride to our factory for free using training. So here's telling our key parts is our machine with super precision because of the this is one of the reasons. This is the reasons we're using the key parts components for the top brand in this field, in this industry. The top brand is taken. For example, the Sail Motor Japan brand, the running system of Akuchi, most popular in South China, top 3 popular, using in China for Akuchi system or host, made from Taiwan, China. Host, operating system, Akuchi or host, and the wire feeding. We're using the wire feeding bearing SKF Sweden, world top brand for the wire feeding bearing using SKF Sweden brand, and the Panasonic frequency converters, inventors, and the Omron delay, Shilin electric air contactors. For Camless, we're also using the high-wind linear guideway. So, in our performer invoice, all this in our performer invoice, in our sales confirmation, sales contact with for the deals with all the key parts are clearly mentioned in the performer invoice, including we give a guarantee 18 months since the dispatch day. 18 months since dispatch day. Okay. So next, I'll show you our machine, the lineup of our machine. First, our machine belong to 3 big groups. For the cam-based forming machine, Camless forming machine, and the compression spring machine, also called the coiling spring machine. Spring coiling machine, cam-based spring machine, Camless spring machine, with or without wire rotary. So our machine covers almost every machine in our daily scene, in our daily use, in many fields: agriculture, trucks, vehicles, industrial machinery, and precision, mechanic, science research instruments are widely used we can provide the solution to producing the precision compression spring machine, precision and variety type of regular springs, also with wire fitting, wire bending products. So this is our name card. Our name card with the basic information about the machine, formal name, model number, total power, consumption, power consumption, machine net weight, producing date, and made in China. So before the dispatch, we are fixed on the label on the machine. Fix on the label on the machine, as like here, fix the label. Okay, list the cam base, 4 axis with spinner at his side, to bending to make, forming the regular springs. This machine for feeding wire diameter length 0.5 max to 4.5 millimeter. This is a canvas, including the wire decoil max loadable 300 kilogram. So before dispatch, we are fixed on a label if the buyer is not a trading company. For the trading company, we also provide the customize on his name, on his trademark system, and also in at the info at the screens marks. This is the Camless series, Camless group spring forming machine. Camless group spring forming machine with wire rotary or no wire rotary for different using tasks. For the simple, relative simple task, we're using the one without wire rotary for its faster and more output rate. For more complicated, then using the one with Camless with wire rotary for more complicated tasks. This page showcases 4 models. As usually 11 to 14 axes as total. 11 as minimize 11 axes, 10 axes, or up to 14 axes with spinner, with servo cutter, with wire rotary. For example, this one is the Camless with wire rotary. This one is Camless with wire rotary for the complicated products for agriculture machinery, lake time, lake teeth. Agriculture machinery, lake time, lake teeth. This machine feeding wire range, diameter 2 to 7 millimeter, 2 to 7 millimeter. This machine, Camless with wire rotary, showcase some more details. Here's the high wind linear guideway, high wind linear guideway. 2 pairs for every slide, 2 pairs for every slide. High wind linear guideway, 180 degree, and the wire. This is the spinner, presently for the task 8 carbon steel as like this 8 at rate about 10 pieces per minute. This using for the tent, camp, outdoor camping, and tent. Ground nail for the outdoor using. Also for the pet, steak for dog, for cat, steak, pet steak. At rate 10 pieces more or less per minute. This is the one Camless with no wire lottery, Camless no wire lottery for 0.3 max to 1.6 millimeter. Let's have a real view of the machine in different stage. This one under construction, installing the mental products. This is in assembly, the system, the operating system, Akuchi operating system. For some 4-axis compression spring machine, we're also using the host from Taiwan. This one in running, this one in sampling for tailor-made products, sampling. Okay, this is our assembly workshop. Presently, 6 machines in different progress. For sampling, for installing, or just stand out the work panel, and for almost ready for the soonest dispatch. We are professional CNC spring machine manufacturer. Professional CNC spring machine manufacturer. Meter-sized with total 23 staff. CNC and our brand Guangjin spring machine GSM. I'm a baker. Dongguan City. 75 kilometers from Guangzhou International Airport. For most clients, come to our factory by air, a lift Guangzhou International Airport. From airport to our factory, 76 kilometers. About take 75 minutes taxi ride from Guangzhou Airport to our factory. Okay, you can, for more details, you can visit my YouTube site for more videos or for daily business activities. For formal business discussion, you can also use the email system or for the instant, rapid, direct contact. Go by WhatsApp, please. For WhatsApp, for email, or for more videos, for get a clear idea of my daily business activities, more videos about our every model sampling for special, for regular products, and for formal business contact, send me your inquiry by email, by WhatsApp, for a directly, instant, rapid way. For the client, if their budget is very tight, we also suggest you can use our can-based spring foam machine for the price lower than Camless. For the first line, the cam-based no-wire rotary for feeding wire length 0.2 max to 4.5 millimeter. 0.2 max to 4.5 millimeter. 3 models available: cam-based no-wire rotary spring forming wire bending machine. And for the baseline, the bottom line, the cam-based with wire rotary. Cam-based with wire rotary. For the complicated, for more turning, for more complicated tasks. For example, the agriculture machinery, lake time, lake teeth. For the automobiles, cars, brake spring, extension spring, torsion or double torsion spring. Also, for the daily use, household using, cramp, clip, and artifact. For example, of the holidays, LED decoration shaft, LED decoration shaft, or sports anti-vibration strap, cushions spring, anti-vibration, suspension spring, anti-vibration spring. So this is the one. This page showing you 3 model cam-based with wire rotary spring forming machine. Cam-based with wire rotary spring forming machine of 4 to 6 axes. It goes like with wire rotary, 1 spinner even add up 1 servo cutter or freehand. Cam-based wire rotary spring forming machine, wire bending machine. Cam-based with wire rotary. So in this cabinet, including 2 main systems, wire rotary and a wire feeding. This page, 3 basic model for cam-based spring machine, for camless spring forming machine, and for the coiling spring coiling machine. The basic model. In other words, these 3 models are the lowest, the cheapest model in price. The cheapest model in price for these 3 models. The cheapest one for camless, the cheapest one for the cam-based, and the smallest one for compression spring. The basic models, 3 basic models, 3 models in cheapest price in their respective series. This is a group for a spiral spring, or wind-up spring, for torsion spring, for blow-up spring, for squirrel springs, for constant force, wind-up spring, for the agriculture, like a snow blower and a lawn mower, for mechanical watch, for car's seat self-belt, for tape measure. A lot of using field have the constant force of wind-up spring. So this page, the wire forming products. every model, these three models also all have the wire function for wire bending, wire forming products. This in agriculture purpose, for the agriculture in using in greenhouse, using like the cramp or snap or creep, wire bending, wire forming products for different feeding wire thickness from 0.5 max to 8 millimeter. And this page for a special purpose, special function machine. For example, the number one is conveyor belt chocolate coating wire mesh I-link leather belt chocolate coating chain using in chocolate coating chain food processing, snacks heating line, snacks roasting line, bread roast, chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling, and this the picture, the construction site, plastic pipe, greenhouse plastic pipe, pipe creep ring, pipe clamp at late 14 to 20 pieces per minute, 14 to 20 pieces per minute. Number three, wire straightening machine for a thickness 1 to 3 millimeter. And number 4, tailed or tailless thread insert making machine. Okay, next I show you some of our samples for the regular or for the special, for the samples. First, is like this conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling. Our machine to bending this conveyor belt single unit in different type for single loop at one hand or double loop at one hand, flat or arch, flat or cubic. Feeding wire length for the wire thickness for mostly from 0.4 max to 3 millimeter. At different wide, mostly goes 40 centimeter to 1.2 meter, mostly. And like this, honeycomb, horseshoe. This is honeycomb bending machine made. We provide a professional solution for the honeycomb horseshoe. This also widely used in food processing, food roasting industry for bread roasting with advantage heavy loaded anti-slide. Lectins, agricultural machinery, straw baler, harvester, mostly for material 4 to 8 millimeter. We do a lot of deals for the heavy duty wire rotary spring form machine current using for mass producing lectins for agricultural using fields, straw baler, harvester, and hay cracker. For this one, automatic beverage selling machine using this one. Automatic beverage drinks selling machine. Automatic beverage drinks selling machine. Cushion, sports, high jump cushion, mattress, anti-vibration spring. Carbon steel, 4mm. Anti-vibration for the sports, for the high jump, or for the high power. And this, we have a special machine at late 14 to 20 pieces. This is using in petroleum, construction site, agriculture, water irrigation, pipe system, plastic pipe, steel pipe, pipe creep, pipe clamp. This stainless steel max by 3mm. We have the one make this max of 160 in the diameter. For this one, the diameter, this pipe diameter 63 millimeter. This one, this at least almost 20 pieces per minute. The lean one stop to make this at least almost 20 pieces per minute. Stainless steel 3mm. OD 63mm. This one OD 110mm. 110mm. This is a different material with zinc plated steel. So the surface have a coating surface, have a plated surface. And this one 160 inner diameter, 160. For petroleum, for construction site, for agriculture, grapeland or greenhouse. As well for the spiral spring in food processing industry, for food processing line, spiral spring, this also a kind of choke wire mesh, a type of wire mesh, and this single unit conveyor belt 2.5 stainless steel food grade 30 centimeter. This single loop at both ends. So this, the whole one stop bend it cubic. Take time about 16 to 20 seconds, one piece. 16 to 20 seconds, one piece. And the irregular wire bending products. Wire shaping, wire bending.